Hello and welcome to another daily Japanese booster pack opening. My bad. I fell asleep yesterday and I didn't do my video. So we're a day late, but that means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday will end on a Friday, assuming I do not mess up again. So that's kind of neat. Got that going for us. Oh, and I forgot to check. Did the English translations come out? It's loading. Well, hope you guys had a good Monday. Monday. Made it through. We've got another week to make our way, survive, and succeed. Another chance. Yeah, it doesn't look like. Oh! Okay. I see the translations for Eevee Hero or Evolving Skies on here, so we'll go with what they got. Today we've got number 8. This one feels a little. I've been taking a look at some of the activity cards. It's like, oh, I wonder if I can tell if it feels a little thicker than the other ones, or if this feels thicker than the average activity cards. To see if we can figure out. I think there's a rare in here. That's my gut, just based on how this activity card feels. Okay. So we start off with Voltorb. Here we have Eevee. That's cool. The Rayquaza in the distance. And the Azumarill. Alright. And our uncommon of the day is ooh, the water type. Oh, Marshtomp. That's cute. Look at how happy it is. That's awesome. Let's see if we can. This Pokemon. Well, look at that. After. Alright. And the final card of the pack. I think it's a rare. Oh, just kidding. Uncommon. It's okay. Kind of uncommon. Are you a trade? Oh, psychic type. And your name is Fuda. Fuda. Oh, Floette. Floette. What is it called? It is Floette. Alright. Oh, this one's easy. I didn't need to look up the translation. Just flip 2 coins, it does 50 times the number of heads. That's easy. That's cute. Oh, it's a Rapid Strike Pokemon too. Alright, let's take a look at this Marshtomp. See if this shows up in... Oh. They're not in Evolving Skies. Shucks. Okay. Well, this Pokemon, Iteru, something about energy. Pick one energy and put it in your hand. So, like, does it mean you have to pick an energy that's attached to it and put it in your hand when you use that attack? Oh, excuse me. Maybe. Seems okay. I forget what the Swampert does off the top of my head, but... Oh. Alright. Nothing super exciting today, but we still gonna check out the binder. Oops, I put all of them over there. I usually keep it on this side. Let's use Floette as our outro. Today we start off with the Azumarill. Ta-da! Then we've got our Marshtomp over here. Dang. It's gotta be the Vaporeon and the something else. Pikachu. We're missing the Raichu still. Oh no. Hope we get it. It's gotta be, one of those gotta be the Jolteon V. We did get another Voltorb. As well as the... Oop! Almost lost it. Eevee! Yay! Alright. Oop, that's the other set. Nice. This binder's looking nice. Very cool. Alright. Oh, no, heavy. Man. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun. We will see you back here for another daily Japanese booster pack opening. Guys, have a terrific Tuesday. Stay safe out there. Things are getting kind of nuts. So, yeah. Wash your hands. And I'll see you guys next time. Yeah.